If you've lost access to your Instagram account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still ways to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your username or email. Input your Instagram username or the email address associated with your account. This will help Instagram identify your account for recovery. Step 3. Choose Need More Help. After entering your username or email, tap on Need More Help. This option will guide you through additional recovery methods available for your situation. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Instagram will provide you with a series of prompts. Follow these carefully, as they may include verifying your identity through linked accounts or answering security questions. Step 5. Wait for Instagram's response. After submitting your recovery request, wait for Instagram to respond. They may send you an email with further instructions or a link to reset your password. Once you've followed these steps, you should be on your way to regaining access to your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance.